Just go slow.
If you can just go slow, it'll be fine.
I mean, I'm not going to be the guy as the brake. I'll be the guy as the gas.
How are we doing this, Banker? It stops on its own, trust me. These fucking wheel hubs are all C's and shit.
No, I like it. All right, we're rolling.
Hold on.
Nope.
My man needs to steer. Push. Holy shit. Yeah. Cranker. All right, go back the other way.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
I had a skinnier.
Did it make it?
Yeah.
Barely.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. As you guys can see the truck right there, we are headed to New Jersey for Atlantic City Truck Meet. We're currently filling up. This is going to be a jam-packed video, so I hope you guys stay to the end. We got a lot going on. Obviously, we got the truck all buttoned up. We got the new track bars underneath, which look killer. Got everything tightened up. We're headed out to New Jersey. Now, while we head out to Jersey and enjoy Atlantic City Truck Meet, Jared's going to be back at the shop working on his Bronco and getting his Bronco all done and finished up for Tailgate and Tallboys. So we're kind of flashed back and forth. You guys will get to see some Atlantic City Truck Meet stuff. You guys will get to see Jared working on his Bronco, and then also us all meeting up for Tailgate and Tallboys. But until then, we're gonna hop in the truck and continue our drive. We got to go to Ohio for tonight, so we will update you guys as we go.
All right, so the front half of the lift kit is completely torn out. Kyle Alderton's got that with Alderton Coatings. He's getting that all finished up, and by the time he brings that back on Wednesday, I have to have the rear of this thing out of it. That way he can pick that up. I've got the front to put in while he does the rear then. Once the rear's done getting powder coated, it'll come back and it can all go in. It's all going gloss white. So we're getting the rear in the air now, that way I can pull it all apart. Is here fine or further up? Is this where we had it last time? And then from there, it's on powder and a couple drive shaft angles, and we should be good to go, maybe.
Yep, still a piece of shit.
At least I built it myself.
Oh boy.
Air out for the haters.
At least mine got done.
Oh yeah. That's how it's done, folks. I'm getting too old for this. I'm gonna have to have Banker build my trucks pretty soon. No wonder he's so grumpy all the time. See, Bailey, that wasn't so bad. I don't know what you were all worried about.
Alrighty, guys, so we are currently in stop and go traffic, doing about 0 miles an hour here as we cross through Chicago. After the last pit stop, we got pretty much everything that we need, so now we're just gonna try to make some time up. But hey, that's part of the, oh hello officer, that's part of the that's part of the deal. This cop just went straight on the median. We're gonna creep through this and hopefully be back up to speed soon. We're at a 7-Eleven. Fun fact, never been to a 7-Eleven ever, so that's kind of a cool experience. We're somewhere in Ohio, I think, and the trip continues. Let's get to the next stop.
Alright guys, day 1's done. We're gonna go to sleep, wake up, and then head to Jersey.
Killed it.
All right, if you want to see an update on where the Bronco's at, did you just take my sunglasses? This is rear diff cover. I got it completely machined because I'm going to be powder coating it. I'm gonna go all white and then leave the machine part machined. And there's the front. But then yeah, more fluid capacity, better cooling, and they look way cooler, especially under a truck that you've already got wheels, tires, and suspension on. It's just an extra little piece to kind of add on to the underneath of it. In addition to everything else I got for the truck, went to our site, got some kryptonite products to kind of help beef everything up. Wow. So in here we got kryptonite's upgraded upper and lower ball joints. For as tall as I'm going is having upgraded suspension components that are gonna help the steering, help the ride, and keep me from dying on the side of the road. In appreciation of your business in this great country, donations been made to Operation Homefront. I didn't even know that. That's super cool. So not only are they built and made right here in America, they're also donating back with every purchase. So it's currently Thursday, front half he's got prepped. This is the rear half he's getting ready to go. I'll probably work on this through the weekend. Banker's gone Monday and Tuesday. We leave Thursday of next week for the show. So a week from now we're leaving, and that's what my truck looks like right now.
We are headed out. We're finishing our drive out to Atlantic City today. We're about to cross into Pittsburgh. We're gonna see Philly. We're almost there. Hopefully Junior's getting his Bronco put together. It's been 2 days. Super excited to see it, but until then, until we meet up with him, let's get to Atlantic City. I'm not even turning. My wheel's cranked.
Is it back in alignment?
A little bit better. Come on, guys. It's not like I want to get over anything. Hurry the up. We have officially made it to Atlantic City Truck Meet. We got the truck park over here. We got to our hotel, which looks great. Super excited to see what it's like tomorrow. Abandoned airfield, tons of lifted trucks. Junior, I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I wish the Bronco was done. Hopefully everything's going good back home.
Oh my God, okay. So talk about a SEMA crunch. We have 2 days that I'm gonna stretch into 3 days to get this thing done for Tailgates and Tallboys. And it's go time. Maybe? I was gonna say, this one's not even staying in. This one's just to hold it in for now, but it's this one because this is where we base the trans cross member off of. So that's the one that I don't need a permanent bolt in, but this one I do, so I need to put a washer on it. I mean, he's gone for the next 2 weeks anyways. Maybe this is my chance to prove myself.
5 in the morning, can't get no sleep. My thoughts keep spinning, can't push the lead.
And it helps him smart ass response, because it's Banker. The whole reason I'm doing the white axles is there's a dude, forget his name on Instagram, it's like 8ball something, because we saw it at LTN. I got some video of it, some photos of it, but it's a black Illuma-Duty with all white axles underneath it, and it just looks so clean driving by, and that's like what I was like, okay, white axles, that's what I'm doing it. God damn it, I got it dirty already. And so, yeah, it's gonna get dirty and be gross and hard to maintain, but if I can keep it clean, it's worth it.
All right, guys, we have officially made it to Atlantic City Truck Meet. You guys can see everyone's setting up. Super excited. Trucks rolling in. Cue the montage.
Can't find your face. I'm stumbling around, but there's not a trace. So what's the meaning? Just give me something. I need a remedy. Yeah, to keep me alive. You are my remedy. Gotta keep you in my sight. All I see is you, love, in the window of that car. With a guy who smiles like Elvis. I guess I'm not that star.
Alrighty, guys, we are officially wrapped up with setup day here at Atlantic City Truck Meet. So tomorrow is the day, and we'll get to meet a lot of you guys, sling merch, and get some content. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, I hope you guys are ready for this. So this is, am I that dirty? Oh no. So this is 10 out of the 18 black label lighting rock lights that I'm gonna be running on this thing. No wheel wells yet. So there's 2 there, 1 here on each side, got 1 there on each side to kind of light up the front of the cradle. Got 1 here on each side, and then in the back here did the same thing as the front. Made a little bracket. Oh my God. Once there's wheel wells, this is gonna be insane. Damn. Waiting on parts and powder coat. Axles mainly is the big thing. I gotta rebuild the axles and then get everything together. So it's coming together, slowly but surely. Fingers crossed.
Alrighty, guys, today is the first official day of Atlantic City Truck Meet. The music's a little loud up there, but we're partying, we're having a great time out here, and we're gonna roll the camera, roll the footage. You guys can see what Atlantic City Truck Meet's all about. Let's get it. How's the turnout? What do you think?
Crazy, absolutely bananas, and I can't thank you so as much as I want to for being here. Custom offsets came out in a big way.
Every year, bigger than that.
Thank you.
All right, guys, this is our final day. The final day to say bye to friends from all over the country. It's bittersweet. It's nice seeing everybody, but we still got a couple hours to really enjoy ourselves. So here's Sunday. This is the final day. Let's get it.
Johnny G, ladies and gentlemen, said that best case scenario, if we had 4 people who knew what they were doing, working on 4 different parts of the truck, with a plan, with a clean shop, maybe it'd be done by like mid to end of day tomorrow. As it is right now, it's 8 o'clock. I'm planning on being here until at least midnight. He's currently helping me with the rear axle to try and figure some stuff out. Baker said he'll help me in the morning. I was hoping to leave around noon tomorrow for Illinois to get there around 4. I don't know what's gonna happen now, but I'm just doing everything that I possibly can at this point.
What the hell is that? What happened? Where's the white one?
So I was working on it until about 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock hit, didn't have a drive shaft made, and just one thing led to another, and it was all the little stuff that it wasn't lining up. And so I decided at that point, I was like, screw it, why spend another day or 2 here trying to scramble to get it done? So left it there. Banker was kind of getting a list of all the stuff we still needed. That way we can get ready for the next show, and in the meantime, I brought this here, so.
Well, at least you got a vehicle here.
Yeah.
You still get to enjoy the show.
Yeah, on the drive here, I was like, you know, it's kind of nice that I daily drive a semi-moderate show vehicle, so it all works out, but I'm bummed, but at the same time, whatever. We're gonna have a good time. It'll be dope, so.
Alrighty, guys, we made it to the next day of Tailgate and Tallboys. As you guys can see, our booth is all set up over here. We got the truck, we got all these vendors, and everybody is set up. These next couple days are gonna be insane with all the performers. First time being at this show, super excited. Tons of vehicles to see, tons of stuff to see. I'm about to show you guys right now. Let's get it.
Lawson, what the f is this?
Pretzels. I want top 75.
Let's go!
Top 75 out of like a lot of trucks.
So Bailey Zimmerman picked your truck for Artist Choice.
Yes, sir.
Run us through it quick. Let's see kind of what you got going on for suspension, wheels, tires.
So it's a 2018 Chevy LTZ. It's on a 28-inch lift with 16-inch carbon bags. It's on 30x16 Max Forge wheels and 44-inch Furies.
I'm a wreck, I'm a mess. Girl, since you left, I confess, getting over you feels so wrong. Forgiving forget. That's what they said I gotta do to get through the moving on. Got one step right, the other step's holding on strong. But the talk of the pine trees, girl, they remind me just how good it was back when your loving was mine. We were 19, chasing that lightning. We were Colorado, I didn't get a goodbye, just a note on the fridge and them words that you said still stuck in my head like glue. Yeah, I forgive. Yeah, I forgive, but I can't forget about you. Oh, God knows I'm trying, but I wanna rewind it back to the day when you had my back before them plans fell through.
Here we go!
No denying, and girl, I'd be lying if I said I'm getting over you. The talk of the pine trees, girl, they remind me just how good it was back when your loving was mine. We were 19, chasing that lightning. We were Colorado, I didn't get a goodbye, just a note on the fridge.
We need some like hardcore speed. All right, let's see how fast we can get it going.
Make sure there's nobody coming
Oh
down
yeah,
the road.
there's traffic. Oh yeah, there's traffic. You're in deep shit.
Oh, runaway Bronco! He goes!
Hurry, get your rollers.
We good?
Yeah.